Who is that Lord? Ilahun rahimun muhsinun mutajawizun ilayhi ruju'i fi rakha'i wa shiddati. A kind, generous, giving, forgiving Lord. To him is my return in my times of ease and hardship. غياثي إذا ضاقت علي مذاهبي ومنه أرجي كشف ضري ومحنتي. He is my salvation when my ways of escape become too narrow, and from him do I hope that my suffering, my trial will be lifted. ملاذي ومقصودي وكهفي ومفزعي عليه اعتمادي وهو ذخري وعدتي. He is my refuge. He is my place of intention. He is my cave. He is my place of where I go to in terror. Upon him is my reliance. He is my treasure. He is my support. وحسبي كفاني علمه واطلاعه على ما بقلبي والفؤاد وجملتي. He is enough for me. His knowledge and his awareness of me is sufficient. He knows what is in my heart, my essence, and in my whole being. عربت بتقصيري وفقري وفاقتي إليه وعذري راجيا نيل رحمتي. I flee to him with my shortcomings and my poverty and my inadequacy and my excuses, hoping to obtain his mercy. ووجهت وجهي قاصدا لفنائه على ثقة مني بإعطاء رغبتي. And I turn my face, directing myself to his courts because of my confidence that he will give that which I hope. فيا نفحات الله يا عطفاته ويا جذبات الحق جودي بزورتي. It's one of the most famous lines in Imam al-Haddad's poetry. Sometimes it's used as a kind of chorus in this qasida. O fragrant breaths of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, O his kind moments, O the bringings to him, his tuggings, be generous, allow me to come. ويا نظرات الله يا لحظاته ويا نسمات اللطف أمي بهبتي. O glances of Allah, O breezes of his generosity, come, be generous, blow in my direction. ويا غارة الرحمن جدي بسرعة إلينا وحلي عقد كل ملمتي. And O breeze, O rescuer that comes from the Rahman, come quickly to me and untie my knots, rescue me from all that afflicts me. ويا رحمة الرب الرحيم توجهي وأحي بروح الفضل كل رميمتي. And O mercy of the merciful Lord, turn towards me, and through the spirit of your merit revive my dead bones. ويا كل أبواب القبور تفتحي فإن مطايا القصد نحوك أمتي. And O doors of the graves open, because مطايا القصد نحوك أمتي, the riding beasts of the good intentions are all heading towards you. We're all heading towards the graves. ويا صحب الجود الإلهي أمطري فإن أكف المحن تلقاك مدتي. And O clouds of the goodness of Allah, give me rain, for the hands of the desperate one are stretched up to you. بحرمة هادينا ومحيي قلوبنا ومرشدنا نهج الطريق القويمة. By the sanctity of our guide and the enlivener of our hearts and our guide to the way of the straight path. دعانا إلى حق بحق منزل عليه من الرحمن أفضل دعوتي. He called us to the truth through a truth that had been sent down upon him from the Rahman, which was the greatest, most meritorious of all summonses. أجبنا قبلنا مذعنين لأمره سمعنا أطعنا عن هدى وبصيرة. We have responded, we have accepted, submitting to his command. We hear, we obey on the basis of guidance and insight. And then he finishes off with 6 very beautiful lines, again some of his most widely known poetry. فَيَا رَبِّ ثَبِّتْنَا عَلَى الْحَقِّ وَالْهُدَى. This is all a dua. فَيَا رَبِّ ثَبِّتْنَا عَلَى الْحَقِّ وَالْهُدَى وَيَا رَبَّنَا اقْبِضْنَا عَلَى خَيْرِ مِلَّتِ. So, O Lord, give us strength in truth and guidance. Give us stability in truth and guidance. And O our Lord, bring us to the end of our lives when we are in the best of religions. وَعَمَّ أُصُولًا وَالْفُرُوعَ بِرَحْمَةٍ وَأَهْلًا وَأَصْحَابًا وَكُلَّ قَرَابَةٍ. And may your mercy encompass my ancestors and my descendants and family and companions and all kinsmen. وسائر أهل الدين من كل مسلم أقام لك التوحيد من غير ريبة. And all of the other people of the deen, every Muslim who has established your tawheed without a doubt. وصلي وسلم دائم الدهر سرمدا على خير مبعوث إلى خير أمتي. And grant your blessings and the peace and your peace for all eternity, for all time, upon the best one who was sent to the best of communities. محمد المخصوص منك بفضلك العظيم وإنزال الكتاب وحكمتي. Muhammad, who was singled out by you through your great merit, and upon whom was sent down the book and the wisdom. وآل وأصحاب ومن كان تابعا لمنهاجهم في كل حط ورحلة. And his family and companions and whoever followed them, followed it in their way in every journey and in every stopping place.